So in this video, I'm just showing you how I carved this love rock. This is just something you can do outside of just painting to add a little bit of interest to your rock. If you don't already have the equipment to do this, I wouldn't recommend it. This rock took me about 13 hours, so this isn't a quick project at all. But I wanted to give it a try, and I just wanted to kind of show you a sped up version of how I went about making this rock. Now, if you do ever decide to try to do this, my rock is made out of concrete. It's a homemade rock, and concrete contains silica, and silica is extremely dangerous when inhaled. So you definitely want to, at the bare minimum, at least wear a mask, preferably a respirator. Silica can cause lung cancer and COPD, upper respiratory issues, so it's nasty and you definitely don't want to be inhaling it. So for this rock, my goal was to have the background look like hammered metal, and then I wanted the lettering, the outline of the lettering to be raised, and it would be the highest part of the rock. The lettering outline and the hearts. Then I wanted the inside of the lettering itself, I wanted to be the deepest part of the rock, and I wanted it to be as smooth as possible. It didn't need to be completely smooth, but I didn't want it to have the hammered steel. I wanted there to be a difference between the inside of the lettering and the background. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about doing this rock like I normally do. I'm not going to do a step-by-step. I just wanted to show you an alternative, something else to do with your rocks. This is obviously way more advanced, but it just gives you an idea of things you can do. So, but if you do have any questions about this rock or this process, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. So I'm just going to let the video play. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video.